Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you the 6 iPhone settings you need to turn off right now. This boosts the battery life, privacy, and performance of your iPhone. Let's get started. First, go to Settings and select Privacy and Security and click Analytics and Improvements. Turn off Share iPhone Analytics and Share iCloud Analytics. This prevent Apple from collecting unnecessary data. Next, go to your settings again and under the Privacy and Security, tap the Location Services and click System Services and select Significant Location. Turn it off and your iPhone tracks your detailed location history. You don't need that on. And 3 is the personalized ads. Under the privacy and security, click Apple Advertising and turn off personalized ads. This stops your iPhone from using your data to target ads. And 4 is background app refresh. Go to General and click Background App Refresh. Turn it off for apps you don't need running in the background, and this saves battery and reduces lag. 5 is auto playing videos. Go to Settings and click Accessibility and select Motion. Turn on Reduce Motion and off Autoplay Video Previews. This stops apps from auto playing videos and helps with smoother performance. And lastly, the unwanted notification. Go to Settings and click Notifications. Turn off notifications for apps you don't need. More battery, less distractions. And turn these 6 settings off on your iPhone, and this will feel faster, safer, and last longer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching!